For weeks, state leaders have expected it would happen, and today a Minnesotan tested positive for COVID-19. The Minnesota Department of Health says the person is an older adult who lives in Ramsey County. They were on a cruise ship recently with other people infected with COVID-19. Our Marielle Mohs was there as state leaders explained their next steps. Elle?
Frank, the state health department wants to be very clear that this COVID-19 case was contracted during travel outside of Minnesota. The state's goal right now is to keep it contained.
Today we learned that Minnesota's first confirmed case of COVID-19 coronavirus is here.
That impending virus is now in Minnesota, but state leaders say Minnesotans do not need to react any differently.
I'd remind us all that our colleagues in Wisconsin were among the first to report a case. They had one case several weeks ago. They still have one case.
State leaders say an older adult from Ramsey County who traveled on a cruise ship that had a known COVID-19 case tested positive for the virus. The state health department says the person began developing symptoms on February 25th and did not go in to get tested until 10 days later.
As far as we know, this is a person who's really not been out and about much.
While the state investigates this first case, there are several simple things Minnesotans can do to stay healthy.
I think people need to carry on and do the things you can do to control what you can control. Wash your hands, cover your cough, stay home if you're sick.
Dr. Mark Sanis is an infectious disease specialist at Park Nicollet.
I don't think we know yet.
He says only some people are at risk of having a severe reaction to COVID-19.
Affecting those people with pre-existing heart disease, pre-existing lung disease, those that have diabetes and high blood pressure look to be more likely to have some of the more severe consequences of this.
If you do fall under this category, Dr. Sanis says there is one important step that you can take right now as a precaution.
I think the avoidance of the large crowds is really the guidance that is coming out of CDC today.
For the Minnesotan who does have COVID-19, the Ramsey County Public Health Department is helping them directly so that they can stay at home at all times.
Anything from contact investigations to monitoring to delivering groceries and supplies.
And right now, the state health department is trying to figure out who this person had contact with while infected with COVID-19. Those people will have to be self-quarantined for 14 days. The department has not said which cruise ship this person was on or which areas they were visiting.
Hopefully we'll figure that out. Elle, thank you. Symptoms of the coronavirus include fever, coughing, and shortness of breath. Basically how you would feel if you were sick with a cold or the flu. If you do think you're sick, call your doctor before you go to the doctor's office in person. If you have questions about COVID-19, the Minnesota Department of Health now has a hotline. The number's at the bottom of your screen right now. That hotline will be open Saturday and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.